Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm going to show you my April favorite skincare as well as hair care product. So without any further delay, let me show you my favorite April skincare and hair care products. Currently liking this face wash from the brand Organic Harvest. This is their neem face wash and this is for 165 rupees and the quantity you're getting is 50 grams. So I really like this face wash because it has neem in it and it doesn't have any kind of preservatives or chemical. It cleanses my face well, it removes the oil and dirt from my face well, and it's very gentle on my face. So I really like this. This is from Organic Harvest and this is their neem face wash. Okay, so after the face wash in the daytime, I like to use this Mother Sparsh Plant Power Ultra Rich Face Cream. This is with kokum butter and lavender oil and it is good for anti-pigmentation and it improves skin texture. So I really like this face cream. It doesn't make my skin oily or greasy after the application, and moreover it has all good ingredients, and because it has no silicone, no preservatives, it's free from SLS or harsh chemicals, and this is for 375 rupees. The quantity you're getting is 50 grams. I like to use this, and alternatives I like to use this one. This is Pond Super Light Gel Oil Free Moisturizer. This is really very light on my skin. It doesn't make my skin oily or greasy, which is really good, and this is super affordable, and I really like this one, and this is all-time favorite, and it has hyaluronic acid and vitamin E, which is really good for the skin. So I keep shuffling between this two at daytime, and at night time I like to use this Olay Regenerist Retinol 24 Night Moisturizer Fragrance Free. I am loving this moisturizer. It's pretty light on the skin. It doesn't make my skin oily or greasy. This is how the pack. I got a smaller size. I wanted to try the smaller size first, so I got a smaller size, and I think this is for 375 or 25 something, and the quantity you're getting is 8 grams in it. I really like the packaging. It's cute, and this is how much I have used till now. You can see you just need little quantity for all of your face and neck, and it just get into your skin pretty well, and it makes my skin look soft and supple. I really like this moisturizer, and I'm gonna buy a bigger size in this. So the next one is sunscreen from the brand Earth Rhythm, and this is Ultra Defense UVA UVB protection with SPF 50, and this is for I think 750 rupees, and the quantity you're getting is 50 ml. So I really like this sunscreen. It doesn't make my skin oily or greasy after the application. It doesn't leave any white cast on the skin, and it's pretty light on the skin. I'll show you the texture. So this is how the texture looks like. It's quite runny, and the color of the sunscreen is white, and you just have to take a bit and apply all over your face and neck area, and I really like this. It gives you a mattifying effect, and it doesn't have any kind of smell, and it's really good. It doesn't have any kind of preservative chemicals. The next product I really like is from the brand Innisfree. This is a Super Volcanic Stick Mask, and this is how the packaging looks like. You just have to twist this to remove the product, and you just have to apply all over your face and leave it for 5-10 minutes. Then we just wash it off. I really like this mask, and it's really a good clay mask. I really like this mask, and this is for, I don't exactly remember the price, but the quantity you're getting is 27 grams. I really like this packaging because you can carry it in your handbag when you're traveling or something. You can just you open this cap, and you can just apply all over your face and just leave it for 5-10 minutes, and when it dries off, you can just wash it off. So this is really one of my favorite clay mask. The next one is this sleeping mask, again from the brand Innisfree. This is the Bija and Aloe Capsule Recipe Mask, and this is for 150 rupees, and the quantity you are getting is 10 ml. I really like this mask because it makes my skin soft and supple, and it seals all my skincare products on my face, like toner, moisturizer, serum, and then last I use this after I have used all my skincare products. I really like using this. I don't use it more than twice a week, and this is for 150 rupees. I really like the packaging. You can carry it in a handbag if you're traveling, and you can just apply it before going to sleep, after applying all your other skincare products like your toner, moisturizers, serum, and then last you have to apply this all over your face, including your eye area and your neck area, and you are good to go. And you can just sleep off, and in the morning when you wake up, you can just wash it off in normal water. So I really like this sleeping mask, and this is really a good sleeping mask. I really like this sleeping mask. It's very hydrating. It doesn't make my skin oily or greasy, but I really like it. In summer usually I don't like applying any kind of heavy oil on my hair, because in summer hair become really greasy and oily, so I don't like using oil. I don't like to apply oil overnight. So what I am currently using, this is from the brand Mother Sparsh, and this is their 30 herb hair oil, and this is for 5.99, and the quantity you're getting is 200 ml. What I'm doing nowadays is I'm just applying, just take little quantity like 1 teaspoon or something and apply all over my scalp and leave it for 1 or maximum 1.5 hours and just wash it off. I really like this oil because it's, you know, it moisturizes my hair well, and I really like it. Has a lot of 30 different herb oil which is really good for the hair, and I really like this hair oil currently. And so this is a 100% Ayurvedic product, so it doesn't have any kind of chemicals or preservative, which is really good. And already my hair, you can see, is colored and a lot chemically treated, so I like to use something which is herbal Ayurvedic. So this is really a good hair oil. I really like this hair oil. It has 30 herb hair oil and doesn't have any kind of preservatives or chemicals in it, which is really good. So I apply it at least minimum once a week before taking a head shower. This is what I'm liking currently for my hair, and this is from L'Oreal Professional Paris CD Expert Gold Quinoa Plus Protein Absolute Repair Shampoo for damaged hair, and this is their same in the same range. This is their mask, and this is what I'm using currently. It has nice beautiful smell and it really worked good on my hair, and I really like using this mask. Once a week after, you know, washing my hair, I just apply a bit of this mask. You can see the color. The color is like nice light creamy yellow, and it has beautiful smell. You just have to apply all over your hair and leave it for 15-20 minutes, and you can just wash it off. So I like using this hair mask. This mask, it really hydrates my hair well, and it really works good for my, you know, hair, and I really like this hair care products. So these were my April favorite skincare as well as hair care products. I hope you like the video, and if you like the video, don't forget to give a like and share with your friend and family. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, guys. I'll see you guys soon. Till then, take care. Bye.